Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style Hariyali chicken masala. This one is famous mostly in Hyderabad and this tastes oh so amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first here in a bowl I have taken 250 to 300 grams of chicken. To that I am adding 3 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. Mix everything well with the chicken. Then marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a blender jar, take 2 green cardamom pods, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 4 to 5 cashew nuts, 1 mace, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 1 green chilli, handful of coriander leaves and handful of mint leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of water and blend. Now keep it aside. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also use ghee or butter if you want. Add 2 finely chopped onions and saute till golden brown. Now add the marinated chicken. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the prepared green paste. Mix with the chicken and cook. Let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then the color of the gravy has changed. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi and few curry leaves. Give it a mix. Add 1 cup of water, 2 slate green chillies and salt as per taste. Give it a final mix. Cover and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. The color of the gravy has changed and the gravy has thickened. Chicken is perfectly cooked. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. So our delicious restaurant style Hariyali chicken masala is ready. If you are bored of having the regular chicken curry every day, then you should really give it a try. This tastes so different yet so delicious. The chicken pieces are perfectly tender and goes perfectly well with the gravy. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.